So when these investors buy these properties, they are buying something that most likely needs work. Sometimes it needs a light dressing. But if they bought something that's older than 20 years, let's call it a pre-90s project, so let's call it 30 years, by the time it's got here, it's broken. And if the previous guy didn't love on it enough, which is a term that I throw around as they didn't care to invest every year in the maintenance, you have to invest that when you buy it, because otherwise you're not going to be able to raise the rents, keep the occupancy, and keep that property where you want it, and then your investment goes down and then you can't get your money out of it when you sell it. So my job is to be the tool that delivers those construction projects to fruition and gets them their investment back, and more so they can resell it at another rate. So there you have it.